Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here, your brother, your friend, latest Aproko News TV. I wanna day my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where for the watchers. I don't come back, say make I come through my proof of what TBC they go on for social media. I hope na day okay. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and on your notification button. Whenever we bring new video, you will be notified. I appreciate all my returning subscribers. May God continue to bless you for your support. I appreciate you all. I love you all in the love of Christ. Yes, my people, I don't come back say me I come put my mouth for what be say if they go on for social media between Umenwe and Prime Gist. I want just give them a little advice because not because that one now come. My brother Umenwe, I greet you, my brother. I beg ceasefire for the issue we say you get with that lady, your ex-girlfriend. Please ceasefire, okay? Don't be waiting be say a good way people want to hear. You want to enjoy yourself. I don't enjoy finish. I can't be saying na saga. I can't take the play on our love is not good. Understand me, my brother? Please, the love we get for each other before. If you not feel still dey like that, may everybody still dey home. They so this one do this one, this one do this one. You not caught for, my brother. You be man. I beg. No matter what you be say you hear from outside or what she dey do for live video, ignore her. I beg you, ceasefire, because I see us everywhere they hot. Now I say this one not be what person you deliberate on. I beg you be person be say I like personally. I beg just rest for this issue. Okay? Rest. The time we be say una stay play before, me still remember that time. They come the talk word we be say one go dey bring heart now. Na woman. Tomorrow on that man still say you want go for her, say you want marry her, not be all those kind many talk we be say come out for match, you know good. My brother ceasefire. Okay, Prime Gist, I beg, may you still rest for the issue. All those audio wey you dey play, you not called for. Now don't enjoy yourself finish. You know, the one wey be say you call the play audio, the one that they enjoy yourself. People wey dey play am for, they not dey there. No third party. We want to take the enjoy themselves. We don't be swagby. We want to take the do afiokodi. My sister, you don't do. Okay, don't do. May you still rest. And you still get one of your family if still they watch you, or your children they where you did there, they play all those kind of audio, all those things. Don't be waiting good to hear. You still respect your children, respect your family. May you rest for that issue of got the quarrel with your ex-boyfriend. Your ex-boyfriend. Enjoyment when I gotta do. Never even come up for body and do the saga on myself. Not good now. And then may you rest and not play any video again. Do your thing which you know say they do before they do one. Forget issue of quarrel between you and Umenwe. No be waiting good for here. Here wey they look at since then, I look at child's play. Tell una take enjoy yourself and cause dey fight on yourself. I beg me you rest. I don't want me I can't say na this one wrong, this one na right. No, 12 na wrong, 12 na right. So make una rest for this issue. Yeah, my sister. Yes, so my people, I agree to now again. The reason wey make me come out, I just dey waka dey go for Facebook side. Now the hear with TBC dey play. Say Ekelebe, they don't go use Ekelebe take go carry Mama Rita because of saga when they say it dey go on for social media. Hey, wow, Benin people. I make me come out. So me I can't talk for this issue because the thing vex me when I hear am. Wetin innocent woman do you when they do this one? Because they are not know who do am. They are the name. I not still know who do am. They say the person dey spin. At the year spin. At the year benjo. I not fit catch up one person when I will say, nah, she do this thing. But now woman they say they do this thing. You will do this thing. Go carry person mother for Nigeria. What you want use am do? Same boys me they go do this thing. Wetin you want use that old woman do? You hear say na she send her daughter come dey make problem for social media. E don reach wey be say we the Edo go still get sense. E don reach wey we go still get sense. Common sense is not common. How can you do that? You when you do this thing, you dey saga people. They bring people nakedness. They bring people picture, their family picture, children picture. They bring am come. They never give you. They never carry you go court for a year. How you go say somebody make you go use a kelebete go to carry on that person mama just because of you tell me I tell you. You 12 now get the issue now dey here. You no fit sagara. Go dey worry her mother for Nigeria. Wetin that old woman do you? Let me make you understand that wetin you try to do now, na that one we dey call assassination code. Because I no know wetin you wan tell Ekelebe say she do you. Nothing. You just want to use that level. Say maybe as you go there now, they fit hit am, you fall for ground. Because of wetin una dey drag for. Wetin you and Rita dey drag for. You when you do this thing. I wish I know your name. I for call you, bring your picture come out. But I don't know who do am. They say the person dey Spain. They don't say Belgium. I don't really know who do this thing. You when you do am, he pay me for you. He pay me for you because you not do well at all. You will be mother. You go carry on that person mama. You say you want carry and give police. They do what now? Now I tell whether Edo State una go dey here. Atrocity wey dey happen for Nigeria na go dey sponsor am. Countries go dey fight na go from here dey sponsor am. Who dey house now? Una say make they go use police take go arrest am for wetin? Now the boy na like say they hold the boy. Now the matter don turn upside down. Lawyer don follow up with the case. Now that one now we dey call assassination code. Wetin the woman do you? Wetin you wan talk now say he do you? Oduma wey suffer dey excuse me, they do her life dey go, do her thing dey go. She no know whether her pikin dey make problem for social media. She not tell you anything. You and she not get any problem. Okay, wetin come ginger you, motivate you say na wetin be say you want to be that one. How many they don't give you here? You will do all those things. How many? Now don't come up for Oba Palace matter. They go summon for Oba Palace. Now don't come up for Ayila last side. This one assassination code. Now I call the use. Una never jam. The day una go jam for VTB say wetin una dey do so. Message una go dey send innocent person for Nigeria. The day una go jam person when be say e ahead. You know, Edo State no go there. As you dey see the person wey gentle, and then you still see who not gentle. The day una go do now, very soon I go start to dey do burial. For people wey be say una dey send message. I go send am finish, they go lock gate, deal with that person. Now start today. If you get family, now go to take care of the children, pay school fees for now, take care of your wife, ABC, you live. Now what they go do now be that? Una will send person carry money 50 €, they give person for Nigeria. May go they do nonsense for una. Our people wey still dey house, una still dey try na. Mona no dey let dem dey use una. You when you do this thing now, you no case when e be say dey your head now. You go start to dey face court. They no care. Na you dey hold. Na you dey hold. Na you go know how you want to defend yourself. He send you message, collect the money, enter house. Make she come do the message by herself. My sister Rita, no take this issue easy. Use this one as an example so that make the rest people know say yes, things are about to happen. I don't know wetin be say una dey fight for. Group everywhere, group everywhere, group everywhere. The same group una dey form. I never see anybody when I use that take help. Every time this one go cry come, single mother go cry come, they collect the pikin. This one I never use that take speak, take bring comot person for problem. All na to message. Group when I tell the message saga to person. He pay me for now. He pay me for now. Energy when I tell the phone that group. When I know is that take bring light to people with that group. If I see who they suffer, when I know use that take gather money, take a person for this Europe. Group when I take go the video people house, video people mama, take go they gather money, take go they do nonsense, they summons. Now they do for Europe. He pay me for now. Those days wey we dey grow dey come, we will see who come from Europe. We will go relax from one corner, dey look am, dey even dey try to even touch am, his skin. Now wey dey here come even dey admire people, dey respect people wey be say e still dey darkness for Nigeria. Na dem go control na dem go tell una how life be. Which tell me when they say traveler is a part of education, which education come dey? You wey dey here lost your brain. Everything about come dey reason na saga. You wake up one day, you wake up one morning say make you go give person money, make you go arrest person mama. Wetin she do you? They go do am to your own mother. You will do this thing so. The thing vex me. When I see they lis ten. I say no, I need to talk. As a president of Edo community, social media, now I say make I come out, make I come talk. Me I condemn this thing, say not be wetin suppose happen. Because e happen now, then if they not condemn am tomorrow, na another thing go still happen. Go still happen to another person. Because our people like to dey test something. They chook their head put. If the first one go, he succeed. The second one would like to go. Èmi ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀kan wò di rẹ̀. Èmi ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀kan wò di rẹ̀. And they need to use and make parable. Very soon, wetin una dey do so, una go dey start to dey see the repercussion. Na I go need. You dey Europe here, begin dey constitute news am, dey send money, dey go dey give person, say make dem go dey arrest person, go dey fight person, go dey do this one, look for person as dey go. You be census manager where they look for the kind person as they go. There's anybody where don't follow you make saga, their address they with you. The day when I go enter compound when I'm not supposed to enter. Now mopo or all those Hausa soldiers we know the year go, they know the year come. Now they go peel you na back. Before person wey saying you wey dey sing. Before who say you here, you no soldier. All those one wey be say dey soldier, people wey dey soldier wey they never give rank for how many years? Now they go peel all of my back without vaccination. Time wey you suppose get to take care of your children, follow them play. You just comot come dey do saga. You do the saga not pay me. You still dey find who you wan send. May go dey make problem with the same person wey dey follow do saga for here. May go dey make problem with the family of the person for Nigeria. Who do you? Eh? You will do this thing. Eh? Your hair not correct. I wish your hair correct. You for know the value of mother. The value of mother you for know. Rita mama no say Rita for saga wey you be say dey do. Even likewise you wey still dey go dey do this one, your mama not saying you if you still get mama. Your parents not saying you. Now wetin you choose to do? Lead them. Do your thing. Fight yourself here. You disappoint with the Edos wey be say e dey diaspora. You disappoint us. We never still hear this one before. The only thing wey we dey hear, we go hear say they go summon person. Now, okay, wetin that innocent old woman do you? I be say police don't get sense. First wey commit crime wey dey even dey beneath self, you know if you arrest anybody in replace of that person. Say you find a call, you not see and me go arrest another person. You not the constitution like that. Send message for ground. Now you talk or say you want go arrest your mama. What her mama do you? Her mother, what that woman do you? You need to go work for yourself. Go work for yourself. Mona stop this issue, this evil art wey be say una dey do for social media. Promote good thing. Do your with say anything wey you know how to do. If you know say saga dey pay you for body, no go for saga. No cost person because obieneka ven everyone. If you know say if they cost you, e go pay you. No go the cost person, no start am. Do your thing. Anything wey you enter beneath people want, many of them will not be all of them. E go talk to another thing. E go just talk to another thing. They introduce Ayelala enter social media everywhere burst. Anything wey they call the reason about Ayelala. Now another one don come now. More take time, More take time. Me una not come go do the one we una not supposed do one day. We go bring una come enter where una not supposed enter. They go send you message make you come answer query. My people abeg, e don reach. We start to dey talk about this issue of saga wey be say they no fit the face. If you anybody when e be say you saga am, if you no fit face am, no go for saga. Leave people wey dey Nigeria out of una saga. They no send una. They no know whether saga whether they even the saga for social media. This is now women and they look wetin dey happen. Many no know how to even on Facebook or not talk of YouTube. You can go carry that person say, see wetin your pikin tell me. He go ask, how una take see? Na the same place una dey say no. Na the same country no. How una take come see una sef? Abeg make we see the grow for sense. E don reach wey we go take dey grow for sense. Make we dey grow. Make we know wetin be say e dey reasonable. Reason wey be say we fit dey still dey do. No be everything be say our mind go your reason, we your rush do one. Before we do something, make we still dey think. Make we dey think. All the issue of go dey record people, issue of go dey do this one, make we stop am. Make we stop am. Make e no go bring problem to our enemy one day. Now this one make me come out because the thing touch me. My sister Rita, before una free that boy, may e go for undertaking. May e go sign undertaking because trust nobody. Trust nobody. If you know say you no go, if you no comot go dey look for another person house with police. Because this issue, no be una fit dey look am say na one kind easy. No, e not easy at all. E not easy because the woman wey una go arrest na, she no know wetin be say her daughter dey do for social media. No be she send am. No talk of say she know say this thing go happen. Let me wait for am one day. She no know. So Rita, my sister, follow up with this case. Just follow up, okay? As you use two lawyer take back up this case. Later, if you not reach, employ another one, journal, because they need to put a hand to this nonsense when we say they go on. Now this one I say make I just come and come tell my people. Beg, wanna share this video. Wanna condemn wetin be say e dey happen. Wanna condemn am. Not be wetin good to hear for ear. So now if that my people, say me I come rush, come quick throw my mouth put for that one. I beg Victor, make una arrest for issue of Bekus and cassava. You understand? Wanna arrest. So wanna face my business. Okay? Wanna face my business. I get many things to do. So not be the one way we soon come the fight to myself all the time. Come the grace to myself. Okay, I'll see you now. See you now for the next video. Bye bye.